Yes, well, in the same ways you can. The term of the mortgage, whether that be 20 years, 25 years, we will have to look at how long you take that mortgage. Other things like equity of how much is in the property. If you're purchasing, how much deposit do you have? But when you've had a mortgage a very long time, the likelihood is that you will have equity because you've had it a very long time, and house prices go up, historically over time. So you will have appreciated some equity and some value in that house. So if you do want to borrow again or need something, then it's important to ask the question. I did think earlier when we talked about what happens when you get older is that you may struggle, or you may have bills that you've had to change something on the house, or you may have bills and you may not think that you can use your equity. And that's another thing that it's good to advocate, that you've worked all your life to pay off a mortgage, and now you're in your 50s and 60s and you think, I can't afford to change the bathroom or change the kitchen, or pay off some debt that you might have accumulated on credit cards, or lent some money to somebody, and you sat on this very big house to think, oh, well, I'm worried because I can't afford it. And older borrowers typically think that mortgages are a bad thing. And they're not. If you look at the math of what the interest is and how much debt is right now on a mortgage, it's so relatively cheap compared to borrowing. So you could really get yourself out of a struggling situation just by using the equity to save you the interest.